Hello everyone. Welcome to Development Across the Lifespan, or Lifespan Development for short. My name is Dr. Ryan Rominger, and I'm going to be your instructor this semester as we travel through this course together in the Moodle platform. Just a little bit about myself. I am an associate professor at Sophia University as well as an adjunct professor here at UGF. And I've been teaching since roughly 2004, although I also taught undergraduate since 2000. But I've been teaching graduate classes since 2004. And this is my first class here at UGF, and I look forward to meeting you online and having the UGF experience. My primary assignment at Sophia University is teaching PhD students and helping them to conduct research. It's a PhD in psychology program. My other interests include teaching expressive arts classes, cognition and affect, history and systems, those types of classes. But this go around, I'm looking forward to working with you all in lifespan development. The class format, as I mentioned, is through the Moodle platform at UGF here, and I'm sure you're familiar with it. I'm personally learning Moodle. I've learned it before and am reacquainting myself with the Moodle platform. It's actually quite a versatile and nice platform. I've used several others similar to Blackboard, Angel, Canvas, but the Moodle platform is very dynamic, and I look forward to working with you in here. We will be having a format of weekly modules rather than topics. So each week you'll see your weekly content posted together, and you can work through that in each week. Assignments for this class. There are weekly assignments, and then there are larger assignments. So the weekly assignments, you have a journaling practice on a particular question each week. And those questions are posted in the syllabus in the weekly breakdown of content. I'll also post those online for you so you can see those items again, those questions again. And then email that to me, that journal entry to me by Wednesday at midnight of each week. The second weekly assignment is a case study from the chapters. And the case study, you can look for the specifics in the syllabus again, but the case study is to be posted online in the discussion area by Wednesday midnight. And then the second part of that case study is then responding to other students, a minimum of 2 other students that you need to respond to. And hopefully we can get responses to all students who are posting and create a lively discussion in that discussion forum. The other 3 assignments are an observation where you go and you watch people from a particular developmental group, like children or adolescents or a particular adult age group, and you write up your observations based on a set of questions in the syllabus. There's an interview that you'll be needing to do with somebody from a particular developmental age group. And then finally, your final case study, which is due at the end of the semester in December. And for all of these, make sure to look at the syllabus for the details and the deadlines. That final case study is actually, you're going to be not interviewing a person, but you're going to be doing a case study on a character within film or television. So that should be somewhat exciting for those of you. If you have a character that you'd like to work with that is not on the list, please do email me or contact me, and we can discuss that character and see if that character is appropriate. All right, a little bit about the beginning chapters for this class. The textbook starts off giving you some general discussion of lifespan development, how it came about, and what some of the major issues in lifespan development are. For example, the nature-nurture issue and the critical periods versus plasticity, whether development is continuous or discontinuous. These are going to be things that we want to think about as we approach each chapter throughout the rest of the semester. And as we think about development in the different stages or phases of life, we need to be thinking about all these different interactions that are happening. And as a counselor, you'll want to be aware of these different issues that are present when you're sitting with individuals. The chapter 2 delves deeper into the nature-nurture issue and the interaction between nature and nurture, in particular the genetics and the interaction between genetics and environment, and how the environment can bring out certain genetic attributes and the genes influence the environment and our reactions to the environment in this reciprocal process. Chapter 3, we're getting into actual developmental phases, and we're starting with the prenatal and neonatal period. And this is a very biological chapter, getting into the development of the embryo and the fetus, and how that the different environmental factors like teratogens affect the embryonic development and the birth of the child. So I hope that you enjoy these chapters and starting your learning with lifespan development. Periodically throughout the semester, I'll be posting videos to reconnect with you and go in more depth into some of the content. All right, take care, and I look forward to seeing you online.